We'll start this project with a large brush. We'll dip brush in orange paint and we'll create a large oval in the middle of the artwork. After creating an outline, you can paint inside of the oval. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in light blue paint. We'll create a blue line on both sides of the pumpkin. Then we'll outline upper part of the pumpkin. You can paint in everything above this blue outline. You can wash and wipe your large brush. Now we'll use green paint to cover the rest of the white area. First we'll outline the edges, then we'll paint in the rest. Next we'll switch to a medium-size brush and brown paint. We'll outline our pumpkin using brown paint. Next we'll add brown lines connecting top and the bottom part of the pumpkin. You can add brown stem on top of the pumpkin. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip it in green paint and add grass on both sides. Next, you can switch to a small brush and use green paint to create a vine next to the stem. You can wash and wipe your small brush and then dip it in white paint. We'll highlight some spots on the pumpkin by creating white brush strokes. Our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.